Trelawny mechanic charged following chopping incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Trelawny mechanic was arrested and charged after he reportedly injured two men during a dispute in the parish earlier this month. Following the dispute, it is reported that during the dispute, 43-year-old Junior Lewis of Jacksontown in the parish used a machete to chop one of the men he had the dispute with. The police stated that the dispute happened around 9 a.m. on October the 5th. Lewis then fled the scene and both complainants were taken to the hospital where they were treated. A report was made to the police and Lewis was arrested and charged on Tuesday after he was pointed out by one of the complainants. He was charged with wounding with intent and unlawful wounded. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.